Hi everyone, how are you? Today in this tutorial video I wanna show you how you can remove white background in Photoshop. So stay tuned, let's start. Okay my friends, if you want to remove white background from your wallpaper, simply follow my steps. As you can see here, we have a wallpaper with white background and I want to delete the white background for this picture. So simply guys, open your Photoshop. Okay, guys, loading file, open. Let's open this picture, desktop. That's it, open. Okay, now I want to remove white background and replace with another one or save as a PNG file. So first of all guys, in the right side here, unlock the background as you can see. Okay, now guys, here in the left pane, okay, we can select many tools, selection tools or magic wand tool to select the color. Okay, as you can see, auto selection of white color. Okay, now click delete. Okay, also select the other side. As you can see here, we have some mistake. Let's use another tool, this one. Okay, I will do manually. Okay, now click delete. Now I can use again this magic tool, magic wand tool, as you can see, or click the shortcut W to use it. Okay, now click delete. As you can see guys, the white background will be deleted. Now we can save this file, this picture, as a PNG file without any background by clicking file, save as, and the desktop. Here save as type PNG file, as you can see. Okay, save. Okay, minimize. As you can see, that's it. No background for this picture. We can use it to any background. Okay, or guys, we can also here add a background for this picture. Add a layer by clicking here in the lower right side. Okay, create new layer, select color tool, paint bucket tool. Okay, I will select the green one. Okay, here guys in the right side, sand to the top this picture. As you can see here, we have a new background for this picture. That's it guys. Okay guys, you can here also save as a big as an image. Okay, save. Okay, as you can see here we have a new image with a new background. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.